Today, I'm going to show you where to store your keys when you are inside a modern car. This is not an issue for older cars with the key whereby you insert it in physically, twist it, and the car starts. But because we are inside a more modern car, it has the start-stop button. This is obviously a first world problem, so I am curious where you put your car keys to. Luckily, the solution involves a USB flash drive. And that right there is a normal USB female port flush mounted. Before doing any installation though, this is where I usually store my key or inside my pockets. It seems some people don't like these ideas though. That's why I'm recommending the USB as an option. Installation is super simple. We are in a Hyundai Ioniq 5 at the moment. This is the steering wheel column. You don't have to remove anything because behind this column is a lot of empty space. I started off with a Dremel. Measure carefully. The square cut should be a little bit smaller than this outside perimeter. When you take a look in the back of it, you'll see what I mean. Once the cut is done, insert the USB flush mounts in and it will lock in place. If you do need to remove it for whatever, it can only be removed from the back. If you're going to do this for your car, I highly recommend tapping the panel, making sure that everything behind is indeed empty space. The flush mount is about 1 inch deep. For example, I could have done it here too because there's a lot of empty space behind. To find out if it's empty space or not, just tap, tap, tap to make sure that it is indeed hollow and nothing is behind it. You can always remove the panel to be extra sure. Believe it or not, this installation was never meant to be a key holder. It was actually meant to be part of an anti-theft device, as I've shown in this previous video on how to create a relay kill switch. The relay kill switch relies on a switch or a button press to connect 2 wires. Behind this USB are actually 4 wires. This special USB has been heavily modified to short circuit, connecting the 2 wires of the relay. The car will never start unless I have this special USB inserted in. But of course, as I later find out, the Hyundai i5 does not like relay kill switch at all. If something goes wrong with my DIY relay, the car will come to a dead stop. Very dangerous on the highway. The best anti-theft for this electric car is actually the Ampere units as seen previously here. Knowing how dangerous a relay kill switch is, I removed it along with this special USB drive. The wiring behind are also disconnected, so I can use any normal USB, plug it in to hold all of keys in place. Alright, hopefully you found this video helpful. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and thanks for watching.